Imagine stepping into a world where your eyes are protected by futuristic technology every time you strike an arc. Auto-darkening welding glasses are like having a superhero's visor that instantly adapts to the environment around you. As soon as you start welding, these glasses automatically darken within milliseconds to shield your eyes from the intense light and harmful UV and IR radiation. When you stop, they return to a clear state, allowing you to see your workpiece and surroundings clearly. This seamless transition not only keeps your eyes safe but also enhances your welding precision, making every bead and seam a masterpiece. What makes these glasses even more incredible is their sophisticated yet simple design. Equipped with advanced sensors, they detect the light intensity and adjust the tint accordingly, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. This means no more flipping your helmet up and down or dealing with the hassle of manual adjustments. Plus, their lightweight and ergonomic design make them comfortable to wear for extended periods, reducing fatigue and allowing you to focus on your craft. With auto-darkening welding glasses, you get to experience the perfect blend of safety, convenience, and high-tech innovation, turning every welding project into a smooth, enjoyable adventure.